Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Navneet and thanks for joining my channel Cloud and Coffee with Navneet. In this channel we are going to learn how you can able to upload that Jupyter notebook on Query Editor V2. In order for me to do that, I have to go on the Query Editor V2 on the Amazon Redshift console. I'm going on Query Editor V2 here, and here I will able to see this notebook section. When I go to the notebook, I get an option called import. When I put an import, it will ask me whether I wanted to import a notebook or I wanted to import a query. So here I'm looking to import a notebook. I will be going and importing this notebook which I'm having here, and done, right? So this is as simple as that. Once I have the notebook uploaded, I can just simply go and click on the notebook, and it will open the notebook in a Redshift console, and then you can start working on your notebook. Hope you find this video helpful. If yes, if you like this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Thank you.